Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to duplicate project in DaVinci Resolve 18, how to copy project, easy DaVinci Resolve tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, so as you can see, I'm currently onto a project already in here and I have added some clips, edited some things in here. So if you're onto the same page and you want to go ahead and copy this specific project or just create a duplicate for that, then these are the steps. Simply click onto the home icon here onto the bottom part of the screen and it should open back again the projects onto your DaVinci Resolve. So as you can see in here, I have the name of that one as a rig. So we're going to go ahead and create a copy. Just simply right click onto that. And then right after, you'll just have to click on Save As. So as you can see, we have here the original. Then you could go ahead and try to change the name for that. For example, we're going to name this one copy and then we're going to click on Save. So you'll just have to wait for that one since it will go ahead and create the copy onto your device. So you could change the view from list to grid just like that. And if you want to open the copy in here, just simply go ahead and double click onto that one and it will automatically open onto your device. And that is how easy you could go ahead and duplicate a project in DaVinci Resolve. If you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.